Right, we're back. Another Eleanor. Yeah. Well, where do we begin? This one was rough. I mean, it was just a disaster. So what happened was someone had attempted to start the job and then got in over their head. So yeah, the front frame rails welded in 25 mil too far forward, replaced all the floor. They cut it apart, hadn't braced anything. There was no left-hand sill panel on it. Left-hand rear wheel tub was welded on in the wrong position. Had to cut it out and put a new one in. That's why the quarter panel wouldn't fit. Do what we do with the engine bay, front radiator support here, engine bay, yeah, all blanked it off, put the Mustang 2 suspension in it. Left-hand rear torque box wasn't welded on even, like it's amazing we even picked up on that. I make all my steel rear end caps, yeah, like all the other ones. All steel bumper, make it all fit, make it all flush. Steel bumper actually helps in an accident too, better than a fiberglass one, that's for sure. Widen the door skins here to match up the side lower scoops. Yeah, so paintwork, all good. Attached flares, or the other ones, flares attached to the car. This one was flares separate, under the floor. Yep, all as good as new. Yeah, you just can't beat it. The whole body colour floor with everything brand new just really pops. And yeah, just paintwork finished off, panel alignment, 10 out of 10. That's what I like to do. And then put the glass in, and then got it rolling, put it on its wheels, and then the owner's going to do the rest. Fun times.